I had done a video not too long ago about our little Chihuahua that had a really bad cough. She was long haired then. My wife done shaved her. She looks like a little lamb. We have taken her to the vet, and we were wrong about, oh, Scarlet relieving herself over there. Well, it's just going to be videoed. Oh, now she is. We were wrong about it being kennel cough. She has a history of heart problems in her family, and come to find out that's exactly what it is. She is doing a lot better now. We've got her on medicine that will let the fluid build up, get off of her lungs, which was causing her to cough. The cough is still there, but not near as bad. The medicine has really done done a good job, and she has a lot more energy and very sociable now. She plays. She will run and get all bouncy, and which is cute. I wish she would do it now, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. But anyway, it does pay to take them to the vet more than once. If you're not happy with diagnosed first, get another one. Depends on how much they mean to you, I guess, or if you can afford it, which is sad to say, sometimes you can't. But anyway, this is Snow, by the way. She does look like a little lamb when she jumps around. She looks like those little energetic baby goats. She's a albino, by the way. Alright, I guess that's it. If y'all liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm fixing to take them back in. Mosquitoes are bad. It just rained. And please subscribe. That's it. Till next time. Bye.